Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Shakita if you're new, and I create travel content for you guys. Today's video, I wanted to just kind of vent a little bit with you guys, especially to those of you who are new YouTubers or smaller YouTubers. I just wanted to kind of get out a little bit of my frustrations that I've experienced since being on YouTube for I think about a month now. So when I started my channel, I watched several videos, those videos of what you need to get started, tools and equipment that you need to get started on YouTube. I'm sure you guys did the same. So I watched those videos, and they all give you pretty much the same type of recommendations. Like, you can get started with just your phone, get yourself a tripod, a really good gimbal, and you'll be all good, right? So that's exactly what I did. I got my phone, I got my tripod, I got a gimbal, and that's what I'm using. And so I think I'm all good to get started, which technically I am. So I start recording my videos, and then I get into the editing process, right? And this is the part where I have experienced the most frustration, is around the video editing piece of it. Not in the sense that I find it very difficult, but in the sense that it takes like a really long time for me to edit my videos, because like no one recommended, like out of all these videos that I watched, no one said anything around, hey, like before you get started, make sure that you have a really good computer that can actually support video editing. Because if you don't, it will make your video editing process very, 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 very difficult. And I can say that with 100% experience that is definitely the case. So my videos, when I'm editing my videos, I am using a Surface Pro 6. Now I've had this is a tablet if you guys don't know what a Surface Pro is, but I've had this Surface tablet for a while now. I got it back in 2017 when I was back in my real estate days. And at that time, it suited me perfectly, right? It was exactly what I needed. And I love the Surface Pro. But I had no idea that it was not, the best for video editing. And it's starting to rain, so I'm gonna turn around. And then, so when I got started with my process, I was using DaVinci Resolve, and DaVinci Resolve was like, yeah, this ain't gonna work for you. You don't have enough RAM, you don't have enough memory. And it crashed and crashed and crashed and crashed on me, to the point where I had to delete it and use something else. Now, I was also using a external hard drive, which I think contributed to my editing process being so slow, because it goes over that USB, and it is not very fast. So it took literally hours and hours and hours for me to render just a small 10-minute video. So that didn't work. That has not worked out very well. Luckily, my Surface Pro, it has a slot for a micro SD card. So I went and got a micro SD card, and I've been using Adobe Premiere Pro, and that has helped so much. You guys, like, I still get a message though, like Adobe will come up and she'll say, Adobe Pro is running low on system memory. Please save your work and proceed cautiously. And I'm just like, okay, I'll do that. And this is even with me turning off all of the effects on when I'm editing. So I don't know, like, you guys, no one like mentioned in any of these videos, and there are literally hundreds of these videos out there where they talk about how to get started with YouTube and, you know, like the tools and things that you need to get started, but none of them mention at all about making sure that your computer that you are using is actually built for video editing. So did you guys already know this? I know that I cannot be the only one that has run into this issue. So what are you guys using? Like, I'm in the market for another computer now because at some point I will have to get a newer one that is more capable. So I don't know, what are you guys using? Like, did you guys run into this issue? Do you have any suggestions or recommendations? Like, because I need some help. So let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that this has been helpful. If this has been helpful to you, then let me know. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video.